Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video. I would have had a Supreme live cop video for you guys on Monday for the week 0/1 drop, but I forgot to charge my my camera battery, so when it's time to record, it was dead. But I believe this is one. So I cooked up. I got two teas. I got the smoked tea in navy extra large and the banner tea in black large. Both of them are for sale. If you guys are interested in buying either of them or both of them, they will be available on my Instagram. You can DM me on my personal Instagram or my resell Instagram, which is right here. And I believe this is one of the teas anyway. I could be wrong. I don't remember ordering anything else, but I'm pretty sure it's one of the teas. So here's a package. We're just gonna get right into it. And I know they didn't ship together because they were two separate orders. But I was getting mad, and if it was a video, I was getting mad in it because Supreme's website was breaking because it is the first week, so it was super laggy. I could have got the Mary J. Blight tea, but it was lagging, so I wasn't able to check out. And this is taking forever to open for some reason. I didn't even get a bag. This is the smoked tea, though. Yes! Let's go. I didn't get a bag. Alright. So here's the smoked tea. I don't even know what sticker they got yet. Here's the smoked tea. So navy, extra large. Right there, if you guys can kind of see that. Which way is it facing? There we go. You guys can kind of see it right there. XL, navy. This I'm definitely keeping the parachute guy. I could potentially be getting two of these, which I'm definitely gonna be keeping. The little parachute toy right there, and then the stickers. And I know they don't even put the stickers in packaging anymore. Oh, they gave me a lot. They gave me 4. I thought it was always 3. I got some good stickers though, I guess. So the first one I got this the super cream tea stickers. I got 2 of those. What does it even say? Supreme professional care, immutable, boundless light, super cream. Although the mind is void in essence, all things it embraces and contains. I don't know who made this design for Supreme, but it's interesting. It's interesting, but I got 2 of those. Got the Mary J. Blight tea sticker right there. So that's my second, if you want to call this a photo tee, it might as well be. Obviously it's not, but it's close enough. Supreme, Real Love, Mary J. Blight in the back. Not bad. And then, hype. I got this one. The scratch and sniff sticker. If I get another one of these with the next package that comes in, I didn't even get shipping for the... Did I? No, I got shipping for this one today. I got an email about this one being shipped today, and it got here today. The banner tee, if I get another one of the banner tee, I'm probably going to keep both of them. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm going to leave one like this, and then one I'm going to scratch off. Just, not completely, but just enough so you can see this as Supreme. Just because it's cool, but this, we're waiting on these since like last year. I guess these were rumored, but. So that was everything I got for this unboxing. Hopefully I'll get different stickers. I don't know what other stickers there were, actually. I think there's a banner tee sticker. I wouldn't mind getting more of these 2 stickers, but these... I don't really care too much about these. But regardless, I do kind of keep the stickers. I don't really care if I sell them or not because they're free, so. But this guy's definitely staying. You know, I'm just going to open this guy up right out of the package right now. But the smoked tea is for sale if anyone's oh my god, I can't talk. If anyone's interested in buying it. Navy, extra large. I think it's going for like 75 or something like that right now. I'll probably do like 80 something shipped, somewhere around there. Here's this guy. Hopefully I don't break this. That'd be my luck too. fire. So, Supreme right there. Just gonna go ahead. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, so it's currently 11:45 at night. I was at the fair all day. After rolled things and got home, and I got my second Supreme package in from week 1. The first package I got in was the smoke tee. This one is the banner tee. I got it in black large. The smoke tee. Yeah, I got the banner tee black large. The smoke tee I got in navy extra large. They are both for sale, so if you guys are interested in buying one of them or both of them, just DM me on Instagram or follow my resale page right here. But just gonna go ahead and open this up, show off what I got, see what stickers I got, and that's it. There we go, we're in. It doesn't. I don't think they give. I don't think they give bags anymore. Like these right there. I don't think they're doing those anymore, or they just didn't give them to me for some reason. But the banner tee is right here. Oh yeah, this is fire. I really like this. It's gonna be hard to see, but kind of get the idea. Black large. Banner tee. Fall Winter 19 T38. Yeah, this is fire. I don't know which one I like more, the banner tee or the smoke tee, but I was just super happy that I was able to cop both. Only because the website died for the first 2 minutes of the drop. But now we're gonna see what we got. So I'm just gonna pull out one at a time. Yes. So I got another one of the scratch and sniffs. I got another the paratrooper or the parachute toy, and I got some stickers here. How many do I got? Oh, is that it? All right, so I got these aren't bad. So I got the levitate sticker and the Save the Planet sticker. Pretty fire. I'll probably be keeping all of these as well. I didn't really care for the levitate design, but the Save the Planet, I actually really like the design for this. Just different. It's a little weird, but it's cool. So that was everything I got from week 1. Smoke tee, banner tee, and 2 pair or the parachute guys, 2 of the scratch and sniffs, and then these 2 right here, and then I got 2 of the Supreme cream stickers. They're back there somewhere. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, everything will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next time. Peace.